kids, you are on the channel Easy Drawing with Mom, and today we're going to learn how to draw Minnie Mouse. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press like and share with your friends this video. Let's start. Minnie Mouse is very simple to draw. As usual, we start from the head. It will be actually head of the Minnie Mouse. We learn how to draw. Let's draw big circle. Like this. We can remove extra lines. Okay. Then we have to draw 2 more circles. It will be ears of Minnie Mouse. Actually, 3 circles. And already we can see the shape of the head of Minnie Mouse. And then we have to draw the bow of Minnie Mouse, this accessory. In the triangle like this, and to other side the same. You see? It's very easy. Everyone can make it. I am sure that everyone can draw. Okay, it's ready for now here, and let's continue to work with the face. We have to draw like this, 2 1 and the same up, and here like this for smile. Nose, you see? And long eyes. Long eyes, like this. And eyelash. And what's missing? Yeah, smile. It's simply like that. And a bit like this. Here we will draw the tongue. Place for the tongue, the mouth and tongue. You see, now we will remove extra lines that we don't need, and then we will color it. Coloring is the most interesting part of the drawing. Okay? Too many lines. We need to remove them. Okay, and here just relieve the bow without all these lines. Also, I would like to add some pattern to this bow. Polka dot, like this, easy. Just many circles. Thinking now, it should be red or pink bow. How do you think? I think it will be red, but I'm not sure. Okay, let's color it. Start from the bow. I choose this red color. Need to sharpen it a bit using another one. Okay, now it's good. And coloring the bow. Take your time, don't be hurry. Color it thoroughly and don't press too hard on your pencil, because if you press too hard you can break it. Okay. After coloring, I will use a marker to make to add some contour to this illustration. I want it to look more clear, more beautiful. But if you don't like to add any contour, you can leave it like that. Very easy drawing. Also, I will be waiting for your comments, for your ideas. What would you like to learn how to draw? Other stuff you want to share with me. Our bow is almost ready. Okay, want to add some this middle red. Okay, now I will choose the black one to work with ears and these parts of the head and nose, of course. Nose should be black one also. And these parts. The eyes. Okay, here. I like a lot Minnie Mouse. I have lots of t-shirts and pajamas with Minnie Mouse. It's so cute and so girly. Okay. And let's work with these ears. Also should be black. Okay, it's done here. I like this freehand drawing. It's like so live. It's so cool. It's like you feel the energy of the pencil. Okay, now tone, and we need to choose beige color like this, or maybe we find something more light. No, it's light enough. Okay, then don't press too hard, just work around the eyes. And here we are adding some skin color. Should be nude or a bit like this. Okay, now I will take the black marker and work with the contour. Eyelashes. Okay, another one. Eyes. Nose. Smile. This shape of the face. The bow. Okay, a bit detailing, working with pattern. This polka dot pattern is very famous. The ears. Okay. And it's done. Our Minnie Mouse is ready. Thank you for watching.